I don't know exactly why. It's either one of three things or all of them. And you know, I've had trips here that my lips are just mutilated. I've had less exposure this time, and I'm dealing with something that's on the rise. And because I haven't been out in the sun that much, I think it's a combination of windburn and the amount of salt that's in the water. Right now it's an awareness, but if I'm gonna do what I'm promising myself today, woo! I apologize, lip.
Well, it's a good day. They're all good days. Espresso and a chocolate croissant, please. Cheers to everyone who clicked the link below to buy me a coffee and a chocolate croissant. It's difficult walking in the shadow of perfection. Satisfactory. It is so much fun skating down here. If I regret anything, is I didn't buy the $1,200 skateboard, the boosted board. But the hemorrhaging has to stop. It's a lot to exit. Right? You know, if you were leaving for the day, you'd bring water, sunscreen, and a towel. I gotta bring like a shelf from Best Buy Electronics, and there's a lot. So I want to bring the drone, but I have to bring the skateboard. Do you have the remote? Where's the I can't stop it because I actually don't know what's going on. But I have had a lip history on these vacations. Oh my God. I'm not even convinced that it's not the sunscreen that's an irritant, the wind that's an irritant, the sun that's an irritant, and what else? And the high levels of salt. But they're on the edge. So I'm gonna keep this here. Make sure you have everything. We're not coming back. I'm far enough away from the city, town. I'm taking off my helmet. No. Oh, don't tell me. My helmet is here to protect you, right? If I don't have my helmet on, yours doesn't work. Okay. the deal is I'm pretty lost, but, oh, I know how to get back. But my understanding is I'm on the top of the other side of the sulfur mine that Nissan was never gonna take me to. It'd be nice to have that money, but you know, I said it before, the price of not being who you are, it's too much. Look up there. Let's go up there. So that's the road I should be on. Now, here, let's, look. These roads connect. But we're not gonna be here. So let's go up here. Lucky for me to be lost, to find something new. Ooh, it's the unplanned that has the gifts. You know, this doesn't, okay, hold on. This is, whoa, okay, hold on. Camera has to go away. I'm not even accelerating. Okay, we got it. Oh, buddy, yeah! You know, I left myself a memento. I made some best of unused footage things. And there was a video, and then on the MILOS, I was like, okay, I'm gonna say something to myself. You love this place, and you're gonna forget again. And I told myself that you love it here and you wanna come back and you're gonna forget, but just remember, you wanna come back and you wanna stay longer. In fact, I went to the highest point over there, which is where I wanna go. I wanna see if that guy, right, knew what he's talking about. Come on. Wow. When the wind blows like that and a gust that comes from nowhere, at a moment that you're talking about gratefulness, it just feels like an answer. Come back here. Come back here and you're gonna feel a certain way. You come back here, you're gonna feel a certain way. Tony, if you come back here, you're gonna feel a certain way and you're gonna forget again. Right? But these rocks, man, I'm convinced they're like batteries. I told me this was an important place, and I agree with me.